Hello, my name is Taylor Jacko.
And I'm Ricky Hayes.
And we're going to show you how to use Photoshop to make photos. Okay, you can access Photoshop if you bought it or downloaded it through applications, or once you open that, it'll be on your dock, so you can drag it on your dock from applications, or you go to find it and search it, or go to application. Okay, waiting for it to open. I'm going to be using these two photos right here.
Yeah.
Okay. One way you can get photos on there is to just put it over the icon on the dock, and it should open. Okay, so if you're just trying to get Meg out of this background without messing up Meg, you can just go to eraser tool. You can do it manually like this, but if your background's locked, you can go to layer from background, click OK, and then erase it. You can use background eraser tool, or to make things easier, just do that. Voila! Okay. And if you want to like cut off her hat or something, you could go to lasso and just go around her hat, and it selects it, and then you just hit delete. And or if you want it to paste, you just Command C and then Command V, and you have her hat. If you want to make her skin darker, or just add shadows to her or something, you could go to the dodge and parent tool. Dodge is mainly used to highlight things, to lighten her up. You got midtones, shadows, and highlights. And then burn is used to add shadows, mainly to add shadows. As you can see, her hair is getting darker, her hat is getting darker. Shirt. Okay, if you want to zoom in, if you're really trying to cut something out and you want it to be precise, you go to magnifying tool. All you gotta do is click once, twice, how many times you want. It goes up by 100 each time. And if you have a background that you want to put Meg on, you can just get the move tool up here, drag her over, put it in there. Now if you want to edit Meg to go in with the picture, you could go to filters, add film grain, and then once you do film grain, go to image, go to adjustments, black and white, or desaturate.
Alright, I'm here to talk about the crop, smudge, and color replace tool. So I'm going to start off with crop. So basically, to crop, you select this here, so the crop tool. Basically, you go over an area that you want to like zoom in on. So let's just say Meg's head, for example.
So, it's a big head.
So if you want to you just want Meg's head. So basically, you just press enter, and you see that it's zoomed in on her head, so you can work on that area.
And that creepy guy on the left.
So while I'm here, I might as well show you how to do the color replace. So I'm going to go to this one, and you select it, you change your color. I picked red. So basically whatever layer you're on, so say I'm on Meg's layer, it'll only color on Meg. It won't go anywhere else outside of Meg. It'll just color her head red. I'm just going to scribble all over her because I really don't care about her. So I'm just going to scribble.
Yeah, it'll stay in the line.
And it stays in the line. So basically it doesn't color anything else except Meg's head. because she's the layer that's selected. Okay, and the last tool I want to show you is smudge. Basically smudge, it drags the image. So whatever part of the image you select, it drags in either direction. Like, let's say I just grab this part right here. If I drag it down, it just drags it down. If I drag it, go click and drag it up, it drags it up. So basically, you could just drag stuff and mess with her, make her look all deformed, more deformed than she already is. So, yeah, so that's about it. So I'm gonna show you another technique I use, which is pencil sketch. Okay, so first thing, you see the image, you want to duplicate this image. Press OK. On this image, you want to desaturate the image, which is black and white. After you do that, then you want to copy it again. Then on this time, you want to invert the image. Okay, while you're doing that, you change the blend mode over here. You change it to color dodge, and then you apply as a filter. Then you go to blur, and you put on Jensen blur. 12.5 is a good one. Okay, then after you do that, you want to merge all these, merge visible, and then you want to change the blend mode. I have to unlock it first because I didn't do that at the beginning. Change the blend mode to multiply, and you can adjust the layer opacity to like 50. Maybe a little higher than that. Let's go 80. That's how you make it look like it was drawn.